Sunny.
Sunny.
Today is a sunny day.
The sky looks sunny and bright.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Rainy.
Rainy.
I love rainy mornings.
The rainy season makes flowers grow.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
The sky is cloudy today.
A cloudy sky hides the sun.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Windy.
Windy.
It is very windy outside.
The windy weather blows my hat.
Windy.
Windy.
Snowy.
Snowy.
We played in a snowy weather.
The snowy mountain looks white.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Loud thunder scared the little cat.
I heard thunder in the sky.
Thunder.
Thunder.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Bright lightning flashed last night.
Lightning struck a tall tree.
Lightning.
Lightning.
Hot.
Hot.
The tea is very hot.
It feels hot in summer.
Hot.
Hot.
Cold.
Cold.
The water is too cold.
Winter nights are very cold.
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 Warm.
Warm.
The soup tastes warm today.
I wore a warm jacket.
Warm.
Warm.
Cool.
Cool.
The cool air feels nice.
I drank cool lemonade.
Cool.
Cool.
Stormy.
Stormy.
The stormy sea looks dangerous.
A stormy night is very scary.
Stormy.
Stormy.
Foggy.
Foggy.
It is foggy this morning.
A foggy road is hard to see.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Hail.
Hail.
Hail fell from the sky, sir.
We saw small hailstones.
Hail.
Hail.
Frost.
Frost.
Frost covers the grass.
I saw frost on the window.
Frost.
Frost.
Mist.
Mist.
A mist covers the lake.
A morning mist feels fresh.
Mist.
Mist.
Humid.
Humid.
The weather is very humid.
Humid days make me sweat.
Humid.
Humid.
Dry.
Dry.
The desert is very dry.
My hands feel dry today.
Dry.
Dry.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
A light drizzle makes roads wet.
We walked in drizzle rain.
Drizzle.
Drizzle.
Breezy.
Breezy.
The breezy day feels good.
A breezy evening is relaxing.
Breezy.
Breezy.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
A blizzard closed the road.
The blizzard covered houses with snow.
Blizzard.
Blizzard.
Mild.
Mild.
Today's weather is mild.
Mild winds blow gently outside.
Mild.
Mild.
Heat wave.
Heat wave.
A heat wave makes summer hotter.
The heat wave lasted many days.
Heat wave.
Heat wave.
Chilly.
Chilly.
The morning feels chilly.
She wore a chilly scarf.
Chilly.
Chilly.
Gale.
Gale.
A gale blew down trees.
Strong gale winds shook houses.
Gale.
Gale.
Showers.
Showers.
Rain showers wet the garden.
Showers came in the afternoon.
Showers.
Showers.
Muggy.
Muggy.
It feels muggy today.
Muggy air makes me tired.
Muggy.
Muggy.
Overcast.
Overcast.
The sky looks overcast now.
An overcast day feels dark.
Overcast.
Overcast.
Sleet.
Sleet.
Sleet fell on the road.
I slipped on sleet ice.
Sleet.
Sleet.
Downpour.
Downpour.
A heavy downpour flooded streets.
We got wet in downpour.
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 Tornado.
Tornado.
A tornado damaged many homes.
The tornado moved very fast.
Tornado.
You can go
Tornado.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
I saw a rainbow today.
The rainbow looks so colorful.
Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Freezing.
Freezing.
The water is freezing cold.
Freezing weather needs warm clothes.
Freezing.
Freezing.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
Stars shine in a clear sky.
The clear sky looks blue.
Clear sky.
Clear sky.
Icy.
Icy.
The road is icy today.
Icy winds feel very cold.
Icy.
Icy.
Flood.
Flood.
The flood covered the fields.
Flood water entered the house.
Flood.
Flood.
Landslide.
Landslide.
A landslide blocked the road.
Landslide destroyed some houses.
Landslide.
Landslide.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
An earthquake shook the city.
The earthquake damaged many homes.
Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Forest fire.
Forest fire.
A forest fire spread quickly.
Forest fire burned many trees.
Forest fire.
Forest fire.
Volcano.
Volcano.
The volcano erupted last night.
A volcano has hot lava.
Volcano.
Volcano.